Welcome to this special video of some of the Greenlight collectibles that I was able to purchase through Grandpa's Diecast. And so let's go ahead. We have two of the 10-foot tall tire Bigfoot trucks here. We're going to start off with number 6. Series 6, I should say, of the 1996 Ford F-250 Bigfoot number 5. And it has a lot of mud on the tires, up on the chassis, and up on the body of the truck as well. Hopefully you can see some of that. Bring it up close here. There you have it. So very cool. And on the tailgate as well. So in Series 6 we had the 1972 Chevrolet K10 AM/PM Rocket, the 1974 Ford F-250 Godzilla, the 1975 Ford F-250 Jeff Danes King Kong, the 1985 GMC High Sierra 2500 Barefoot, 1986 Chevrolet K10 Taurus, 1996 Ford F-250 of Bigfoot number 5. I also purchased the 1996 Ford F-250 of Bigfoot number 7 on the mud version. Also the racing stripes, the racing truck version of Bigfoot. And this one actually has some green on the tires, and I'm thinking that's supposed to be some grass and stuff, and on the wheels itself has mud in them. So that's a little bit different from the truck that I just showed you. And it also has mud up on top and around the body of the truck. And there's the back of the truck. So this is in Series 7. So the other trucks in Series 7 was the 1977 Chevrolet K10 Made in America, or maybe that's supposed to be Made in America. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Texas Tumbleweed, the 1984 Chevrolet C10 of Stomper Bully, the 1986 Chevrolet Silverado Nightmare 2, 1993 Ford F-250 Terminator 3, and then the truck that I just showed you of Bigfoot number 7. The GMP parts department of for the 1/18 scale Bigfoot shop tool set. And this thing looks very cool. Of course my cat wanted to be up here on the unboxing table or the show table. So I really like that the Bigfoot, the original monster truck, and the painted Bigfoot right there of the truck. But look at the detail, if you haven't seen this yet, of the wires and everything like that, different shop tools. And I'm gonna leave this in the box. There has a motor and just a toolbox over here. And this is set number 1 for the 1/18 scale shop tool set, because there's another one that I didn't know that they were going to come out with another one for the 1/18 scale. There's nothing on the back of the package. But yeah, so this is set 1 for the 1/18 scale Bigfoot shop tool set. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.